कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड such type of bond is formed between non-metals due to sharing of electrons. If two electrons share single bond is obtained and represented by hyphen. If four electrons share double bond is formed. If six electrons share triple bond is formed. That is chlorine, atomic number 17, K-L-M. Outermost shell of chlorine is M and contains 7 electrons. In case of chlorine molecule, first chlorine, second chlorine. Each chlorine will have 7 electrons. The electrons of first chlorine is represented by cross and by dot for second chlorine. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to complete its octet, each Cl need 1 electron. It will cover 1 electron from its neighbor. Thus octet is complete. 2, 4, 6 and these 2. 1 cross 1 dot 8. Same manner is adopted also for this Cl. So here in common area, 2 types of electron present. 1 cross 1 dot. The different types of electrons and equal number of different types of electrons exist. Hence, it means sharing. So here 2 electrons share. Due to sharing of 2 electrons, single bond is obtained. So we will write this as chlorine, single bond chlorine. For case of oxygen, atomic number 8, K2. L6. The first oxygen atom 6 cross and for second oxygen atom 6 dot. Each will have 6 electron already. It need 2 electron from its neighbor to complete octet. 8. Octet means 8. In common region, in common area, 2 types of electron and equal number of electrons of both categories present. The equal number of both categories means sharing. Due to sharing of 2 cross 2 dot, that is 4 electrons, double bond will obtain. O double bond O. Again for nitrogen, nitrogen 7. K cell will have 2 electrons, L cell will have 5 electrons. First nitrogen, Pu may represent either by cross or by dot of the outer electrons with 5 electrons, valence electrons. Suppose electrons of first nitrogen are represented by dot, then second will be represented by cross. Each nitrogen has 5 electrons already. It will need 3 electrons more for the octet, for 8. The sharing will take place like this. Here in common zone, common area, 6 electrons present, and out of 6 electrons, 3 are of the one kind dot and remaining 3 are of the one kind cross. Equal number of different types of electrons exist here. It means sharing. Due to sharing of 6 electrons, triple bond will take place. So we will write here triple bond between nitrogen. In molecule of nitrogen, both nitrogen atoms are attacked by triple bond. In case of oxygen, both oxygen atoms are attacked by double bond. And in case of chlorine or hydrogen, both atoms are attacked via single bond. Covalent bond is of the 2 types: polar covalent bond and non-polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond. In such cases, shared electrons not present at middle of both nucleus or nuclei, but slightly displaced towards more electronegative atom. Thus, more electronegative atom acquires partial negative charge, while other partial positive charge. For example, HCl, carbon monoxide, H2O, ammonia, alcohol, any alcohol, ether, etc. For HCl, hydrogen है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन and chlorine will have 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन in outer node से. Situation will be like this. Shared electron of hydrogen and chlorine will not at the middle, means just between of the both nucleus, but slightly displaced towards more electronegative element. So here electronegativity of chlorine is more rather than that of the hydrogen. So thus shared electron 1 cross 1 dot will slightly transfer away from hydrogen but near to the chlorine, like this. The sharing will be like this. Single bond will form here. So we will write this as H single bond Cl, partial negative charge at more electronegative element Cl and partial positive charge for hydrogen. Non-polar covalent bond. Insert type of bond. Shared electrons present at middle of both nuclei. Hence, no partial charge. For example, O2, N2, CO2, methane, ethane, benzene, toluene, etc. Now difference between polar and non-polar. Polar, non-polar. Shared electrons not present at middle of both nuclei. Shared electrons present at middle of both nuclei. It has partial positive and negative pole. It has no pole. Electronegativity difference of atoms are not zero. Electronegativity difference is zero. Its solution is conductor. It is bad conductor. Its MP melting point and BP boiling point are high. Extremely low. Coordinate bond such type of bond is obtained between donor and acceptor. Atom which provides required number of shared electrons called donor, while other as acceptor. It is represented by arrow. If donor provides double electron, then full arrow is used. And if donor provides single electron, then half arrow is used. Arrow. It is represented by arrow whose direction is from giver to receiver, that is from donor to acceptor, giver to acceptor, giver to receiver, donor to acceptor. For example, in case of ozone, oxygen, in this region, 2 cross 2 dot, that is 2 types of electrons in equal number present. It means sharing. In this region, only one type of both electrons present. It means here relation is of the donor and acceptor. So here coordinate bond will obtain, and here covalent bond will set up. O, O, O. For these 2 cross 2 dot sharing double bond, and for this coordinate bond will set up. One example more. In case of NH4 plus, atomic number of nitrogen is 5, electronic number of nitrogen is 7, K2L5, for hydrogen K1, and for H plus nothing. So for ammonium, N 5 electrons, hydrogen and H plus. H plus has no electrons. In this common region, 1 cross 1 dot sharing. In this common region, 1 cross 1 dot sharing. In this common region, 1 cross 1 dot sharing. But in this area, in this region, only one type of both electron present. It means donor and acceptor relationship between N and H. The bond formation will be like this. H, single covalent bond N, single covalent bond H, single covalent bond H, and coordinate bond H plus.